At Georgia Pacific, we create a wide range of products, anywhere from towel to tissue in commercial and retail spaces. I have a bachelor's degree from UW-Platteville in occupational safety management and building construction management. In my role here, if I had to boil it down to a few things, it's that I work to reduce risk, maintain compliance, and create a work environment where nobody gets injured. Whether it's helping with lockout, tagout, confined spaces, working on a project, something along those lines. Basically, my goal is to identify hazards and put controls in place to make sure that we create a safe work environment. I think just growing up in the time frame that I grew up, technology was kind of all around you, and then it's just kind of become a everyday thing in our workplace that we need to interact with it and you need to know how it works, and the more ways you can find to use it, the easier things get. The biggest way safety plays into production environment is just that we're constantly interacting with machines that without controls they'd be very dangerous. So we have lots of technology related controls, from safeguards to interlocks, that basically bring our machines to a higher level of control and higher level of safety and make it easier for our employees to interact with them. I care about safety because I just believe that, everybody who works here should be able to go home safely to their family, be able to do the hobbies that they want to do, not have their life impacted in any way, shape, or form from trying to do their job. And just obviously from working here for over 7 years, you build relationships with people, care about all the people that work here, regardless of if they've been here for a day or years. But, it's just caring about people and wanting to do a good job at your job and protect those people so they can just do their job. For the past 2 years, I've been a part of the latest investment in Green Bay Broadway, which is the facility we're in. Basically is a start to finish full product system that we as a team safely designed, built, started up, and are now running. And it was just a great team effort and a great team that I was able to be part of. So kind of a once in a lifetime opportunity to work with great people and accomplish something to that magnitude. We have like 6 million square feet under roof, and it's to have all these processes and systems intertwined in different departments and all that. It really takes a lot of teamwork and a lot of great people working together. So we just get to know a lot of great people and work together to accomplish something pretty big as keeping this mill running all the time.